Good afternoon, everyone. Seeking the blessings of Lord Sharanabasveshwara and remembering Puja Dodappa Appaji and touching lotus feet of Puja Dr. Sharanabasva Appaji and Matoshri Dr. Dakshayani Avaji and Chiranjeevi Dodappa Appaji, I would like to welcome all the officers of the university. I welcome our Dean, Faculty of Business Studies, Dr. S.H. Honarli Sir. I welcome our Chairperson, Dr. Vanishri C.T. Madam. I welcome our resource person, Ms. Anusha Mutigi. She is an alumni of Sharanabasva University. She has completed her master's in MBA Tourism and Travel Management from IIT TM Gwalior. Currently, she is doing her MSc in International Hospitality and Tourism Management from Bournemouth University, United Kingdom. I welcome all the staff. I welcome all the staff members of Tourism and Travel Department and all the other departments of Sharanabasveshwara Vidyavardhaka Sangha and all the other colleges as well. I also welcome all my juniors and students from various departments and colleges. Over to Ms. Anusha Mutigi.
Am I audible?
Yes.
All right. First of all, good morning, good afternoon to everybody. And thank you, Anishri ma'am and Rakesh sir, for giving me this opportunity. And let me tell you, I'm very nervous because I don't know, I'm a very small person to speak in front of you all. And if you guys have any doubts at any moment, you can stop me and ask me there itself, because it will be good if I clear it out there and then. And when you are answering or asking any question, it would be better if you guys show me your face, please. Okay, let's get started. So let's go to the first page. Can somebody change it? First slide of my PPT.
Anusha, you have the control over my screen, so you can change the slide from your end. You have been given the control. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I'm very new to this.
Okay.
So, anybody has any idea of studying abroad? Yes, yes.
Yeah, I planned for abroad, but in this scenario, like in this situation, abroad studies is not happening much.
Oh, okay. I planned in same situation and I came out. So, okay, let's get started. So, first basic step is you search for a university that matches your criteria, or which is best for whatever you're studying in. Like, I am a tourism student, so I search for top university in the country which is good for tourism. And I found Bournemouth University to be one of the best for tourism and hospitality industry. So it all started when I was in Gwalior, and let me tell you from beginning. I was studying masters in bachelor's in BTA college, and I found out about Gwalior through one of my seniors. Then I went to Gwalior. I gave my interview. I passed few exams, and I gave my interview. Then I was there. Then I felt I was missing something. I wanted more exposure, and I wanted to deepen my knowledge, and I wanted to learn more, and I wanted more practical knowledge instead of theory. So I started searching for colleges abroad, because in abroad it is more practical than theory, which like my auntie and uncle stay here. They helped me a lot to get here. Sorry, I'm so scared. My voice is shivering. So first step I did is I searched for an top 10 colleges in UK or whichever country you're looking for. So then, first I searched for appropriate universities. Then I looked at the placements and career opportunity that college gave me. So then I checked for the fees, which is very important. Then I checked for the requirements, that is for like entry requirements. Then I gave my IELTS exam, which is English test, which is needed to come here. So then also I checked the university ranking and what kind of scholarship they gave me. So can anybody tell me why is PG studies important? Yeah. It's already written on my screen. You can just look at it and tell. It's more about communicating.
Personal development.
Okay. Can you elaborate? Okay. ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳು That's okay. Whatever you understand from personal development, tell me in 2 words or 1 sentence.
So, mingling with people and knowing deep about that thing. That's it.
Yeah, in one way. Yeah. Okay. Let me start. Why PG studies is very important. So deepening. When I was in bachelor's, I studied the same. And when I was in master's, I studied the same, but I learned it in depth. It was more like expanded version, you can tell. And we also had little practical in my master's. So when I came here, it was like totally different, but everything was still the same. We have same subjects, we have same topics, but different perspective. And personal development, you can ask Vanishri madam how naughty I was, how mischievous I was. So when I came to PG, so I realized I developed myself not only like personality wise, also my knowledge wise, and it improves your career perspective. So BTA bachelor's degree, most of the like employers asked for PG degree and master degree because bachelor's is not enough and they think you're like still under then they think, oh, she has much knowledge and all. Higher earning potential, of course, is like it is one of the important because if you have PG degree, so they'll mostly assign you to the higher post and pay is also high. Career change opportunity, this is like the most interesting one. I had so many opportunities to change my career. I could have chosen anything. Let me like if I'm talking very like fast, you can tell me, I can talk slow. So
It's
if you
good.
guys are not understanding anything, please let me know and let me know. Where was I? Yeah, career change opportunity. So I had so many opportunity. Like if you have done bachelor's in tourism, then you can change it to any stream in PG. But I would recommend you stay in the same stream that you have taken in bachelor's and like deepen your knowledge in that. It would be very, very helpful. And the employer who's looking at your CV will tell like, oh, she's studying tourism since 7 years. She's a master, I guess. So like I had many choice. I was looking into archaeology. So I thought of changing my career to archaeology, but same time my auntie and uncle explained why I should stay in the same stream and I should master it. So I chose that and I'm very happy about that. Networking opportunities. You'll build so many networks when you're in PG. Like you'll get to go on a trips, make friends, and like now I'm working at a I'm a part-time worker at a optician shop, and I've made so many friends and they all are like entrepreneurs. I have so much network, not only in my stream but wherever you go. For example, you go to on a trip and you make your friend as a hotel manager and you build your network and it's very helpful. So talking about my university, Bournemouth University, it is in Bournemouth, which I've never been to. Fun fact, because the classes are online and I'm staying at my auntie and uncle's place, which is just 3 hours away from Bournemouth. So my current course is tourism, international hospitality and tourism management. So when I applied, I had to wait for like 2-3 weeks or a month. Then they offered me scholarship of if I convert it into Indian rupees, it is of 3.5 lakh rupees. They offered me scholarship. It is totally based on my background, because my background is tourism. I'm joining tourism. They offered me that much scholarship. So Bournemouth University is one of the top ranked university for tourism and hospitality in the world.
Sure.
And sorry, does somebody want to? Okay. Where was I? Okay, it is one of the top university, and believe me, I've seen the images. It is so good. It is on the coastal area. I'll show the pictures in next slide. It feels like we are really doing tourism. And BU is recognized as leading university by Institute of Travel and Tourism. Institute of Travel and Tourism is an institute that mainly promotes to educate the tourism and travel professional. Their main aim is to provide better education, and BU Bournemouth University is part of that. So it also is recognized by Institute of Hospitality. This is one of the important thing for us. Institute of Hospitality is like what do you tell? Naukri.com and all. When I joined, I was asked to create an account in Institute of Hospitality. So through that, I get so many mails and of job opportunities and training and all. So it is also recognized by UNWTO. We get to take part in the events that they conduct, but at the moment there's nothing done. There's nothing such, because it's all lockdown. And Institute of Travel and Tourism and Institute of Hospitality, which we are given, which we can log in through our Bournemouth University emails. So we are given, they conduct so many guest lecturers from like top CEOs and all. So I attended have you guys heard about Royal Caribbean? Anybody?
Yes.
So what is that?
It's a ship, ma'am.
What ship? No, it ship is not the right answer. Yeah. So CEO of Cruise, the CEO of Royal Caribbean. So we had guest lecture and he was so good. He also offered us to like visit. We can visit his ship once. We can visit his cruise once the lockdown is lifted. And also we had CEO of PATA. We had meeting of that. I'm a member and executive committee of PATA. I handle communications and communication and promoting of our PATA student page, student chapter in Bournemouth University. So there are so many opportunities in Bournemouth University. So I can learn any language I want to. They'll teach me one-to-one classes. They'll take one-to-one classes. If I want to learn something new, they help me to build my CV. They are so good. They answer to all the calls any time of the day, and even sorry, I forgot what I was saying. It is so helpful. You can just go through the link. I cannot share it. Sorry. You can just go to the link and check out about Bournemouth University. They offer so many so many opportunities and all. I have chosen. There's one anybody wants to speak?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Please don't call me ma'am.
Okay, Anusha.
Thanks. So I can also like change my if I want, I can change my career, my stream, and join other stream. Our lecturers are so supportive, and they like, if I have any doubt, they arrange one-to-one classes. They like do not hesitate, do not get angry, nothing. They treat us like we are same, we are on same post. They respect us so much. I have learned so much from them. And I'm nervous. Sorry, I'm speaking something else. So this is our college. So the red sofa one. This is the aerial view, and this is our arts campus.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
your voice is not clear, Anusha.
Oh, sorry. Now?
No, it's actually clear.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's clear. I think your voice is clear. I think the other person's network is not stable.
All right. Can I talk?
Yes.
So this is our campus, the white building one, and the left corner one building won some prize for its design. So this is our campus. There are 2 campuses in total in Bournemouth University. One is for arts and one is for science and other things. So this is Bournemouth. It is in coastal area. So this is it. So job opportunity, coming to the very important point. So you all guys must be familiar with what are the job opportunities in tourism and travel industry, but still I'm going to just read marketing and sales. Not only in like travel agency, but one of my friend, he is being offered as a sales and marketing person in Audi company. Have you heard about it?
Yes.
Oh, guys, yeah. Yeah, not only in tourism and travel, but other streams as well. Because we are management students, we are capable of marketing and sales in any company, in any department. So human resource, this is also very important, like one of the most enjoyable job, I guess, because once you reach such post, you get to interview other people. It is very interesting one. In banks and multinational companies, like you can tell Amazon, such things. Because I once gave interview for Amazon or Detroit. I don't remember exactly. It was 2-3 years ago. So not only in tourism, but we have opportunity in different sectors as well. Hotel management, you all guys know this. I don't want to explain. Travel agents as well. Event management, yeah. Leisure and entertainment. So one of the specialty of Bournemouth University is they offer internship and jobs in Disney World. I joined Bournemouth University. We get jobs and TV. You must have heard about it. So not only in UK, but there are Disney World everywhere around the world, in Hong Kong, UK, Paris, according to my knowledge. So yeah, and important because we get a job there, and we can prepare who are we going to call for talk, and and maintenance and any cruise and many more. In cruise, even I am trying to get into cruise. Let it be any department. I think they have one of the best cruise. So Southampton is a place just next to our island. Southampton is a place where Titanic departed. So I'm trying to get a job there. It's very interesting. So my job experience, I have worked in India in lastminute.com, which is European based online travel agency. So for 2 months I worked there, and okay, Manjunath, can you please mute your Manjunath, can you please mute your call?
You can expel that person. You can expel that person from the
For there I worked for 2 months, and Corona started, and also I was told to achieve the target of 10 lakhs in 2 months, and Corona had started, so they asked me to leave, which was not at all good. I felt really bad because it was not my mistake. Hence, I decided no, I don't want to work in India. That was the one of the reason which made me come here. So then I joined Ride Opticians and Hearing Care as a receptionist. ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವ್ದನು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ. Every person here is given same respect and treated equally. One thing I like about English people is this: they respect you no matter what class or what you do. So my work here is to I'm a receptionist andre ಆ type receptionist ಅಲ್ಲ, but ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to do few tests of the eye before I send the patient to the doctor optician. So this is my job, and also I help Auntie Fazeen to I help her with the Instagram. I post most of the pictures on their website, and their Instagram, she made me head of that because I'm very good at it. And also I show dispensaries to the patient, I answer calls and all. So one thing I learned here is how to talk to people, how to communicate. I'm not very good at English. I'm still learning. It is a very big way. It is a long way to learn English. I'm not perfect. Nothing. I'm still learning. I've learned so much from Ride Opticians. So my work here is to welcome the patients, not welcome, let them in and talk to them and ask what they want and all. So when I started going here, I realized there's nothing called like, there's no shame if you speak wrong English. I try every day to correct my English, and I try to learn new things from my colleagues. There's nothing shame in it. If you do mistake, okay, think why, what, how can I correct it. So if you read the quote, if you want to accomplish something in your life, don't just think about it, put in the effort to make it happen. So I did the same. Once upon a time I was like, I never cared. I was like, madvi ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮುಗೀತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ life. So then my sister went to Boston and my brother went to China, and I was so insecure. I was like, ನಾನು ಏನಾರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, nobody will care. I felt personally. So I wrote my English exam, I did everything. Sum kunti, if you want nang adu ಬೇಕು, no, it won't happen. You have to put every effort to make it possible. So coming to tourism in UK, UK is why is it called the UK? Can anybody answer? Anybody? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So can anybody answer why is it the UK? All right. Because it is union of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. So hence it is called the UK. So anybody wants to tell something? Yeah, all right. There are every year 40 million tourists visit UK. What better place to learn tourism from such country? That's why I chose UK. So there are approximately 45,000 hotels in the UK. Hotels ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ. Simply ಹಳಿದು money they would have converted it into very posh hotel. That is the hotel for them. So there are many hotels which are like same. I had been to Shard recently. I'll show the pictures. So there's nothing great in UK tourism. Only they are like good buildings and old castles which they have maintained, because Britishers they are so organized and they're so well maintained everything. That is the main reason why their tourism is on the top. UK tourism is on top 10 in the world, I guess. The main reason. Think wow, Stonehenge thing like wow. Hangenu illa. The only mystery is how stone yelling bantu, who bought them. They are so heavy. So there's nothing in it. Barre hing round ada. Adik our world wonder mada. Just imagine how many like beautiful monuments India has. They are so organized, they are so intelligent. They know how to make it work. So this is Southampton. This is a place where Titanic departed. So this is my first place I visited in UK. This is Carisbrooke Castle. It has nothing, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. But they have maintained it so well, I just can't even tell you. There's nothing in it. Bare in olden days, it was like used as a jail, and it was like ಅಲ್ಲಿ donkeys ಇಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. That is it. This is a walk behind our home. We go here every week. They have kept it so clean, so organized, and when you go on a walk, you have to go in one side. That is the rule. Everyone here follows the rules because it is so important. Otherwise, they'll put you in jail. They'll ask you to pay money, penalty. It is so important for them to follow the rules. And I'm learning so much from it. I think I've learned so much from it. This is English coast. This is a video I want to show you. So clean, just look at it. Nobody has even disturbed it. Neither there is one plastic, nothing. That is why I never want to come back to India. So bad of me, I know. Okay, London. So can anybody tell me how any destination from London?
London Bridge.
Yeah, other than that?
The 9.
Sorry.
London 9.
Oh, all right. Yeah. And left picture is, you all know, London Bridge. And right picture, can anybody guess? Why is it special for?
Buckingham Palace.
No, no. So, okay, let me tell.
It's
This
a
is
tower
the
bridge.
Sorry?
It's a tower bridge.
No,
Left.
that is the right one. Left one, sorry.
Left one.
Yeah, I'm asking about right side. So that building is famous because they have kept Kohinoor diamond there. And that is basically a jail. Nothing important about it. So I had been to London recently, and people there live in like 2050. So organized, so disciplined, so much, so well planned, everything. I wish like we'll also adopt the same. So this is some random cafe I took picture of, the blue one. Just look at that. There's nothing in that. How okay. So that is one of the cafes. I was just passing by. The left one and right one is just a random pic I took. This, any guess? Any guess? Okay. Have you heard about Shangri-La?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is that? Okay. Shangri-La is a hotel chain, and this is one of theirs. It is a 5-star hotel, Shangri-La Shard, and it is 82. It has 82 floors, and I had a golden opportunity to go there and to have dinner in one of the most expensive and like most beautiful continental hotel. So this is the image in daytime, not video, sorry. It looks like this. I was like awestruck. It was like such a moment. I was like, wow, now if I die, there's nothing wrong. So this is the restaurant, Chinese. It was Chinese. And look at the ambience. They have kept it so well. And the waiters, everyone, they were so disciplined, so well trained. Oh my God, I just cannot describe. And this was the view from our hotel, the last corner one, and few pictures. Look at the way they have presented it. This was the food we ate. It was a Chinese restaurant, so proper Chinese irtadalli. Adu bitti bere enu iralla. So if you want anything else, you have to go to another restaurant. multi cuisine iralla. So this is Japanese. Anybody? Any guess? Tell me any one Japanese dish.
Sushi.
Yeah. Perfect. I tried Japanese for the first time and authentic Chinese for the first time. Oh my god, it was so good. So this is an image. I hope it opens. Thank you, Auntie. Means a lot.
I'm
Thank
very
you,
happy
Anusha.
to see you.
Just a second, I haven't finished. I was just replying to Auntie's message.
Good going, Ma.
Thanks.
We are all enjoying. Yeah, we are all enjoying your talk.
Anusha, I think we were here. I think you can.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So this is a Spanish restaurant. As you can all see it, there's a bull and their uniforms they wear while bull fight or bull ride. I don't know that Spanish thing. It was so great. Ambience was so good. It was so chilly. So we had booked outdoor. We had to come inside because it was so cold. And this is sangria, a proper Spanish drink. Next slide, please. So this is French baking. They are so good at baking. Can anybody has anybody heard about La Jore? Anytime? I personally recommend you to read about them. La Jure. Just write it down, and after my presentation, you guys can search, like Google about them and read. It is very interesting. Next slide. Okay. One thing I want to tell you is it is not like compulsory to come and study in UK. Even if you are in India, you can achieve the same. But if you have proper dedication and all, so it is not like first choice. It was not my first choice. I was like pushed. I was like my auntie was like, "Yen marti al kunti ellaru hora hogtar ni obakkine kurti." So many of the things came together. Then I made up my mind. So even if I was in India, I would have achieved, but I pushed myself. I pushed out of my comfort zone. So I'm here. I feel really good, and I'm so lucky that my parents sent me here. Get out of your comfort zone. And one more important thing I want to tell is, even though you're in India, even though if you're applying here, so I recommend you to like work somewhere. So part-time ಇರ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ರೂ it literally adds up so much. ಎಷ್ಟು like you are given so much important if you have work experience. Even if it is in small like departmental store, no work is big or no work is small. Here, let me tell you example. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಲೀನರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. She earns how much? She works for 3 hours and she earns 4,000 in that time. It is like no work is big or small. She is so proud of what she does, and I think it is so good. She's so confident and all. She studies at the same time and she comes here. Even I do the same. I was in the beginning, I was like, hey, yaar, hogappa receptionist yaar aagtar holis izzat kadmi. No, 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 no. ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಣ್ಣದಿಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲ. You'll only learn from it. ಏನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You'll only learn from it. So anybody has any question? I'm so sorry. This is my first presentation. If I've made any mistake, please forgive.
No, Anusha, you have done very nice presentation.
Anusha, we have your dad, Rashikar Murthy sir, on call. So can we expect your dad to speak about you, just 2 lines about your achievement? Rashikar sir. Sir, Anusha ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಮಾತು sir about her achievement.
Papa?
Rashikar sir.
Sir, namaskara.
Namaste sir, namaste sir. Sir, kindly turn on the video on ಮಾಡಿ sir. Video on ಮಾಡಿ. You can speak 2 lines about Anusha and her achievement.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನುಷಾ ರೀ ಸರ್, ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನುಷಾ. ಹಲೋ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಪಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಳು.
ಹಾ ಕೇಳಿಸತ್ತದ ರೀ. ಅದೇ ಮೊದಲು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಹಲೋ. ಹಾ ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾಳ್ರಿ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇದು ಅನ್ಸಕತ್ತದ ಇವತ್ ನೋಡಿ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಕತ್ತದ. ಹಲೋ. ಹಾ ರೀ ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಬಾಳ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ್ರಿ. ಆಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಅನ್ಸಕತ್ತದ, ನಾನ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ ಹೆಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಾಬ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಾಬ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಹಂಗ ಬಾಳ ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರ್ಕಿನ ನಾವ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ನಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ ಬಾವುಜಿ ಅವರು, ನಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಾಳ ನಮ್ಗ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಆಕಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರೇ ಈಕಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ವೇದಾಗ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರು.
And we are also proud of her.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Thank you sir, thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶರಣ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ. ಹಲೋ. ಹಾ ರೀ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಶರಣ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟದ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅದ ರೀ, ಶರಣನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
Okay. Thank you sir. Thank you.
ಪಪ್ಪ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಹಾ.
If ಯಾರಿಗಾರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿತ್ತು, they can ask me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. No, ma'am. Only one issue, ma'am. Is ma'am.
Ma'am, we are student, ma'am.
Yeah, even I am a student. Tell me.
Ma'am, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್.
Sorry.
ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ?
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿಗ ಎದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್?
ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಮತ್ತು
See, my suggestion is like you guys should start writing essay. One thing I want to tell, like bhal knowledge improve ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದಿತ್ತು, essay ಬರಿಬೇಕು. And when you get free time, like go to the local travel agents and learn from them if you are interested in going to travel agencies and all. And essay writing is like the one thing I have improved so much from in tourism. Like ಈಗ ನಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ ಬಂದ ಇವತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ so I write it about it in my own words. That has helped me so much. So did I answer your question?
I request
ma'am.
Vanish madam to speak few words.
Hello, Anusha. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you. Happy to see you after a long time. Let me share few things about Anusha. Anusha was a normal girl, like as you people are. She was also getting scoldings from me. She was also getting a lot of some good things as well as bitter things. But I really appreciate and I'm feeling proud to see you, Anusha. You have struggled. Actually, literally, once you have completed the graduation, you have taken the decision to go for IITM Gwalior. I give like this was one of the best example for all the girls from here to if they are coming from I see like a lot of people coming from the village background, other people background, other area background. But from coming to over here and I ask them to go out. They say that madam I'll hogbekri madam first some instant I'll be saying madam implant training Bangalore ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಪುಣೆದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ parents ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. And I really feel proud, Anusha. You have proved that uh, of course, your auntie is there, uncle is there. They have helped you, but
Yeah.
still you made a mind to go alone and be there. That is really happy. And I say, especially for a girl student, even not for the girl student, even I get such queries from the boy student as well. Many of like students, if they are getting the job in Bangalore, even the Jaipur, even some of the areas other than Gulbarga, Kalburgi, they were not ready to move that there. So you have proved yourself that opportunities, if you are having the determination, you have the dedication, you have commitment, you have a dream to achieve anything, you can go anywhere in the world, you have proved it. So today's webinar was not of course she has shared many of the valuable points, but it is a setback for the example for all the students from Kalyana Karnataka. Many of the people, madam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ ಊಟ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ ಮಂದಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Fine, I do agree. I have the emotions. I really understand that one. But from here to Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Mumbai, only people are thinking to miss our food. Think that she has left our country and visited to different part of the country and she's working there and she's studying there as well as working. She has value added one point to that. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರಲ್ಲ. That actually I agree with that one. So whatever the opportunity you are going to come, if you are working, like she said, like some housemaid is coming and she's earning, you have also having lot of opportunity. I take these things like some of my students, other than when they are studying in our college, they are working as a part-time job. I mean, they are working after college hours. They are working in some of the departmental stores, some of the hotels, some of the travel agency. I really appreciate that hungerness is there. That hungerness is required. Until unless you people make it, it is not like we cannot achieve it. And she has herself proved. Frankly speaking, I know Anusha very well known. Like she is no need for the job also, but still she has joined it. Not because for the money and all. She said that wherever you are going, the experience counts a lot. And she's gaining that experience. That is very well. I mean, she is tourism background and she's working in ophthalmology, like eye specialist hospital as a reception. That means some experience she's gaining over there. Whatever the life is going through, whatever the life is going through, and whatever life is going through it, like some student was telling, even I want to come for the abroad, and pandemic was there. Of course, pandemic is not there for one or two; it is for the whole world. But still, like in the pandemic duration only, she went it. That is also appreciable, actually. So in that, once she was talking to me, she said that, madam, once I have come, immediately the lockdown. I mean, even UK has been lockdown, and we are also having the online classes and everything. But there is some differences. She has said that what exactly the students are there. Like students come for 1 hour, 2 hour for the online. Also, the dedication, the commitment towards the class and everything was excellent. The same thing is required for you people also. And some girl was asking me the questions about to Anusha that what are the opportunities? I mean, what is the further for tourism studies and all? Can that girl ask me once again the question what she was asking?
Yeah, even I was not clear. That's why I don't know.
Can you please
I think
like
it was Rajeshwari.
Rajeshwari,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you there? Yeah.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you just question?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು?
Think about abroad in India.
ಬೋತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ tourism actually the UK the main revenue is itself is like many of the people have knowing that tourism is the main revenue. Like recently I was interacting with one of my cousin who was there in the Germany. He was telling that Italy, Brazil, Germany, everything has been tough of the tourism because of 1 year. But now space by space they are opening it. But he was telling me that it was very difficult for the people to sustain. I mean, to survive also it was very difficult. But they were like able to overcome it. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ Anusha, when she was interacting, she has given some of the examples stating that some of the places she has been visited and she felt it. There is nothing in that place, but still they made it 8 ವಂಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ರಿಚ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನೇಚರ್ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇದೆ, so well mannered and everything. I totally agree with that. But here also it is there. But thing is here professional people ಇಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ. People are not like youngsters. ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? You people will just go to some courses where everybody want to rush. M.Com ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, MBA ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You don't want to like generally you are a BCom student. I'm giving that ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವು 2 ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ನಿಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದ್ರು ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, MBA ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, M.Com ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, MSc ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, MA ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಂದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮಗ್ ಹಸಿವಾಗ್ಯದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀರಡಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಅದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಲೆಜಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನಾನು HR ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ KSA ಥಿಯರಿ ಐ ಜನರಲಿ ಸೇ ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅದ, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂರಿಸಂ. ನಮ್ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ಅನ್ನಂತದೇ ಇದ. ಇಲ್ಯಾರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಯಾರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಯಾರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ, ಇದೇ ಘಟ್ಬಳಿ ಪುಂಡಿ ಪಲ್ಯ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂದಿ ಜನ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೂರಿಸಂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಏನ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅದು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ನು ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ required to satisfy it. I mean, ಅದು satisfaction ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. Then only it will be coming over that. So this generally people ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದೇನದ ಟೂರಿಸಂ. ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಈಗ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಎಗ್ರಿ ದಟ್ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಬಹಳ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಜನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನ್ ಜನರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್. M.Com, MBA, MSc, MA already market saturated ಆಗಿದೆ. I am in education field, I myself will be saying that. Being an MBA, I myself will be saying that market already saturated ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೈಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನಕ್ಕಂತ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಒಳಗ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, MBA colleges, we are having 6 to 8 in colleges in Kalburgi. Every college ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 intake ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕಂತ ಕಂಪ್ನಿದವ್ರನ್ನು ಹೈಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ನಾನು 400 ಪೀಪಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ, 400 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್. ನಾವ್ ಒಬ್ರೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ನಾವ್ ಒಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ one small step can change many of the things. So this type of courses is required and this type of things are required. Nam hatra tourism kina ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ I will be talking about hotel management ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜನ ನೋಡದೆ I mean perception change ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ I will not say that is because of 1 or 2 people, that is because of the people perception ಏನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಓದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಹಚ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಏನು ಅದಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅನುಷಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ದುಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ, ಅದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ, M.Com ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಇವನ್ ಅನುಷಾ ವಾಸ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನಂದು ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗ್ತದ ಆಯ್ತು, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್, ವೆಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಆ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್, ನೀವು ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮೋರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್. So hope I have cleared Rajeshwari about your doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
If you have any further doubts, I'll be sharing, like Rajesh Malipatil sir will be sharing his number or my number. You can contact. Okay. Well done, Anusha.
Thank you, ma'am. I want to say 2 more things.
Yeah.
So Bhalash country, they offer free education. So you can Google it, and countries like Sweden, Norway, Germany, I know only 3, but you can Google like countries which offer free education and free university. So you can go and check. So, and one more thing, everybody should talk in English. Even though if you don't know, try to talk in English. It will be so helpful. When I came here, I was struggling so much. My brother, my cousin, ಅವ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಗ್ತಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I felt ashamed. Once I started going out, knowing people, communicating, then I was comfortable speaking in English. ಏನು ರಾಂಗ್, ಯಾರು ನಗ್ತಾರ ನಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಕಲಿತೀರಲ್ಲ, that is important thing. When people laugh, if you speak wrong English, don't take it as like wrong thing.
Like you have visited, I mean you have went to UK. What are the like some of many of the students are there for the final year students, even our college student, my university students, as well as some of the different colleges students have logged in. I mean final year students, they have logged in.
Yeah.
Can you just give some light that what are the like how you have made your journey from India to UK? Of course you have very clearly, but what exactly they need to be focused if they are going for a further studies in a UK or some other country?
Oh, okay. If if you guys are interested in tourism, like doing masters in tourism, so search for 1 year course. If you are doing master degree and want to study further, search for 1 year course, because 2 year course already ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, so it will become hectic. I search for 1 year course, but it is of 18 months, and 1 year I have classes and all, and other 6 months I have to do my internship. So then I search for course fee. That is also very important. So I searched for the cheapest one, but cheapest one was not in the good college. So I went for the better college, even though if rokka ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೇನು, but they offer better education. So then I asked for everything, what are the facilities and all. So then I made up my mind and came.
Anisha, there is few questions from the student. I'll be just reading the student. I mean, our student Rohan Maitra is asking one question.
Yeah.
What okay, you can see the question.
Yeah, you can see the Anusha, you can see the chat.
So Rohan or Rahul, I don't know. Sorry.
It was Rohan. It was Rohan.
Okay. Sorry, Rohan. He asked me question, what exam did I write? I wrote IELTS, which is an English exam. You can go and search on British Council. They have the details about it. So I wrote IELTS exam and I waited for my result. It was it took a month, I guess. And it consists of reading, writing, speaking, and one more is listening. So you have to prepare for 4 of them. They'll send you a book and CD once you book the exam. So you have to read about that and give the exam. There'll be a short interview for your speaking skills. After that, you'll be given the results. So and most of the universities in UK do not require any exam. They'll offer you on basis of your second year English marks. So is it clear?
Any other questions, student? It's got very good opportunity to interact with her. If you people are having any questions and all. One more important question I want to ask, Anusha. Of course, you are having you are having the auntie and uncle over there. So somehow you have been shifted. The person who is having the eagerness to study the higher education, but they don't have anyone over there.
Yeah.
But still they can make it out.
Of course, ma'am. Here, university people are so friendly. They are so helpful. Once, if I had nobody here, I would have gone directly to Bournemouth. Then I would have searched for a part-time job. Then it would have been the same. Nothing would change. Only I eat home food here. Nothing else. Everything is just the same.
Okay.
I miss home. I cry so many times. Yaak banna. But it is such a great opportunity for me.
Okay. More important question, Anusha. I think many of my students are from the graduation level also.
Yeah.
So once right now the final year student, if they want to come to, they want to do further education in UK or some other country, they need to follow this one. But very important criteria is that what is the fee structure and costing will be there, because as you know that our region and our people very well. So that is also a matter for us.
Yeah.
Can you just put some light on that?
Yes. So my course is 14. Just a second. It is 14,000 pounds, which is nearly 14 lakhs, including everything. And I got scholarship of 3,500. So they lessened it. And baki kharcha ella plane ticket, visa. Then you have to do the medical insurance and all. Adella hit the 15 to 16 lakh tana bartada. But I got a loan from bank. It is easily available from bank.
For a loan for higher education for the person who is studying in abroad, when the bank is supporting.
Yes, it is so supportive, and we have to like submit all the documents that we have been selected. Idu now to fees in the structure and all, then they'll approve the loan. It will take time, but I recommend like start doing, if you are planning to go next year, start doing it this year.
I mean 1 year full. 1 year is required
1 year,
for all the
6 months, yeah, 6 months ಮುಂಚೆ, because it will be so like hectic. ನಂದು ಹಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. I wasn't sure because of the lockdown and all, so ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, but still I managed.
One more thing, Anusha, student is asking the question. Can you just read in the chat box?
Yeah. How did you apply for IITTM? There's nothing to apply. You can like mail them or call them and ask. I wrote MAT exam, which was not necessary. There are entrance exam conducted by IITTM itself. You can go to their website or call anybody on the office and ask when is the next exam, entrance exam. Then you can go there and write and wait for the results. Most of them get selected.
Okay. And Anusha, one more question I want to ask. You
Yes,
studied Sharan Basaveshwar College of Tourism. You have studied IITM.
Yes.
Now you are studying in UK. Of course, the places, I mean, the subject is same, the places is different. If Sharan Basava University want to implement some good thing from, what do you say, not from India, from at least from UK, what best we can adopt?
So one of the thing I felt personally like English, you should make it compulsory. Okay. Then I personally want like English skills to be improved, and you can do it by giving them to write essay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I can tell more about it afterwards to you, ma'am, personally. Does you offer courses? Sorry?
No, somebody has written the question.
So I have no idea, but you can go to the website, BU Bournemouth University, and there are like more than 100 courses they offer. You can just search and maybe you can find it, because there are so many courses.
One more thing, Anusha, like of course it is relevant to academic again.
Yeah.
Same thing. Tourism you have learned in India as well as abroad.
Yes.
Of course, English is important, and as you know that we are already adopted some of the tourism subject as well. So, what is the difference you are having the subject wise? I'm talking about that country subject as well as our country.
Okay. Here, more interactive way the classes are taken, and lecturers come very prepared and they know what to tell and how to answer everything. Even if we ask stupid question, they are like, you have the answer. So, and if they don't know, they're like, okay, we'll get back to you. We can have one-to-one meeting.
But subject wise, I'm talking about the core subject of tourism and the core subject of tourism in India as well as abroad. Content wise.
Yeah, content wise, see, ma'am, what I have learned in Gulbarga, same. Everything is same, but they explain little broader. I still remember everything what Rakesh sir, Dilip sir, Kalyan sir, what they taught me.
Okay.
I write the same answer if someone asks me if I'm writing an essay. Then I still remember what all they taught. I write the same thing here.
So, as syllabus wise, there is no much difference between Indian syllabus as well as UK.
Syllabus is same, but teaching technique is different.
teaching techniques or tips.
Yes, ma'am. So
Any other questions you people are having, you can ask directly or you can do in the chat box.
yeah, don't be like scared, nervous, shame, nothing. You can ask like in Kannada.
It is just like you. She is all like one among the you. She was also sitting on the same bench. She was also learned from the same lectures. Like she has already taken some of the names. So still, you people are having some of the doubts or something like this. Like it should be more interactive so that she will be answering as well as she'll be sharing a lot of knowledge.
Yeah, don't be scared. Nanu hinge ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇನೆ same. You can ask ma'am how much I troubled her.
Yeah, I remember Anusha. every like semester her parents used to come.
I was very mischievous, but I've changed, ma'am. I've learned. I'm a different person now.
Yeah.
So, anybody else? Question related to anything? Let it be.
How to get visa?
Visa. So I applied for Tier 4 visa. Basically, students are offered Tier 4 visa. So you have to go on this UK visa, British visa. Then you'll get the procedure on that. You have to enter all the details step by step. Then once application is filled, you have to book an appointment and they'll call you for biometrics and interview, no interview, only biometrics, and they'll cross check with the university if all the documents are correct and if you're really been offered a place in the university, then they'll provide the visa.
Not much difficult.
How do you feel about your decision to move abroad for studies? It is one of the most important and brought significant changes in my life. You can see it. No, you cannot see it, but my lecturers can. How much I have changed, not only like knowledge wise, but personality wise as well. I'm a more softer person now. I know how to handle everything. All the situation, I just moved out of my comfort zone, which only made me stronger.
Guys, first of all, you should come out from your comfort zone again and again. She was telling she was also in an open shell. She was also there in the closed shell. Now I think she has crossed that.
Yeah. ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಂದಿಲ್ ಬರಕ್ ಜರೂರತ್ ಇದ್ದಿದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ ಪಪ್ಪ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೋಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ he was like ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ, ಅಪೂರ ಓದತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡು. He was like that. And he was like, okay, ನೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ ಮಾಡು, ಎದಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿ ಸುಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. He didn't even allow me to go to Bangalore for lastminute.com. I fought and I moved out. So then and there I decided illidre ಏನು ಆಗಕ್ like possible ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದ ನನ್ ಕೈಯಿಂದ. So I decided to push myself and ಏನೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. That's it. I'm here. ಏನು ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಪುಂಡಿ ಪಲ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ನೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದ ಲೈಫ್ ನಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ದಿರ. ಇದು ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. You can eat roti and pundi palya anywhere in the world. You can prepare it and do, but you cannot come to UK every year. No.
Ma'am?
Yeah? No, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Anusha, hi.
Hi.
Can I ask you one question?
Yeah, sure.
ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಲಿಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದು.
Try asking it in English.
I will try, but
try it. ಯಾರು ನಗಲ್, ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
I know, but I have some fear. So that's why I was asking in Kannada. ಈ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ನಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆದ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
You mean in India naga in illi?
Out of
one math helli, I know 5 different languages, whereas they know one language. Think about this. ನನಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನನಗ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟಿನ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ I have more knowledge than them. Keep that confidence. I know 5 language. I have so many degrees. Why do you want to back out? Learn. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Okay.
This
is also correct.
ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು ದೇಶ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ದೇಶ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಜಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್.
Many other students problems faced it.
No, that's why I'm telling you, if you are planning to come here, start speaking in English. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದು, ಮತ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ನಗ್ತಾರ, ನಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, that is their problem.
Sure.
If you want to achieve something, you have to put efforts. Don't care about people surrounding you for negativity, not positivity.
Okay.
Any other question? Anything related to anything.
So I think
Confidence. Asking about tourism, she was asking anything.
Into your bachelor's, when you look back into your bachelor's, what do you want to change, or you feel you did something? Of course, I wanted to change my behavior. I was like rowdy. I fought so much. I spoke so vulgar language. Now I feel I shouldn't have. Then I've evolved so much. So another job. Student visa is easier to get, but what about regarding job? Is it difficult to get visa for job purpose? All right, student visa is very easier to get. Not so easier, but yeah, most of them get it. But job, you have to work for that. You have to work anything for that, because your employee is going to apply for your visa on behalf of you. So you have to find a good company or employer who is capable to apply for your visa. It is difficult. Even I feel that. I'm working for that. Yeah.
Anusha, like if somebody, actually it was very good question. If some students want to go for the job visa, can you just find some more information so that it will be helpful for your juniors as well as college people?
Ma'am, job is difficult if you don't study here.
Sorry?
If it is difficult to get a job here if you don't study here.
Okay, like you can find at least job opportunities for your juniors.
There are so many job opportunities. I thought they knew, but yeah, I am. Is any courses are necessary to enter in aviation industry? Sorry, but I have less knowledge about aviation industry. I can read about it and tell it to you. What is your future goal? Yeah, thank you for asking, but I'm still not confirmed about it. because there are so many opportunities in tourism. If I were engineer or doctor, I would be like, oh, nange ide agadu. But there are so many good opportunities in travel and tourism industry. I'm still confused. I'm looking for it. Yeah. But I'm leaning towards cruise. I'll see. Development, your way to improve. Hi, ma'am. Can you suggest any book to improve? All right. I have never read a book, to be frank. I only watch. I watched Friends, which is on Netflix, to improve my English, and I watched few of the like English movies, which are like comedy things, which I think Friends will help you guys also. You should watch it. Like it is like very basic English. You guys can understand. One day time artha agalla. I watched it like whole episode galna 2-3 times. When I started watching, then I understood for the third time. Oh, idu ala. Oh, then I started understanding. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಮೊದಲು. I never made any effort to understand it really. I only watched it. But now, yeah, I understand. I even read the subtitles. That is most important. Then,
Interaction is also important.
yeah, you should speak to your friends in English.
In frankly.
Sorry. Friends, the reunion. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. We agree preference will be for their students, but I hope if we have sufficient skill, then we have job opportunity. That is like very rare because most of the people, because you'll be coming from India and they have to apply for your visa. I don't think people here will be happy for that. If you have lot of experience, then they'll think about hiring you. If you study here, then placement, campus selection, yeah, it is easier that way. Future opportunities in Shrikant. Future opportunity. My field. There are so many. There are travel agencies. I can do blogging, logging, and escorting, tour guiding of A, B levels. Then I have aviation industry. I can go there, and I can work in museum. There are English heritage sites. So many English heritage sites. I can go there, and yeah, many. At the moment, I don't remember. Sorry. Just like in India, just how many opportunities you have, same, but ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೂ I can do it because nobody here is to tell me anything. Which you love the most? Oh, see, I told you I was leaning towards cruise industry because I have never got any chance to work there. So here it is pretty famous. So I'm looking forward to working in cruise industry. One month ಹೇಳಿ. So now I have summer holidays. So I have 40 hours of work permit. Usually it is 20 hours. Those who come here as a student, they are allowed 20 hours per week to work. But now it is 40 hours. I'm planning to work in some hotel or some pub or bar. ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೈಲಿ. Nobody is there to judge you. ನಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It is for myself to improve myself. So I request you guys, you should also do the same. Even if you are in India, jaga matter agala. I hope I was useful.
Yes. Yes. Fine. Will Kamlashri, can you go with the vote of thanks?
Oh no. Sir, no need.
Anusha, finally you want to say something? You want to conclude? You want to say something and conclude?
No, I just want everybody to like be in a good place in future, because there are so many opportunities. Just focus on one and work towards that. Even if you don't like focus on one, even if you are confused like me, take time, sit, take opinion from others, suggestion from the lecturers, and decide.
Okay. So can everyone turn the camera so that we can take the virtual group photo?
Hello, sir.
Can everyone turn on the camera? Okay. Fine. Thank you. Kamlesh, you can continue with the vote of thanks.
Hello.
Yes, Kamlesh, we can hear you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kamlashri from BBA Tourism and Travel, 6th semester, Shanbaswa University. I am here to give vote of thanks. Firstly, I would like to thank today's resource person of this webinar, Anusha Muttagi, for taking out time from her busy schedule and for keeping the webinar very enthusiastic, and also for enlightening us regarding overseas opportunities and education in tourism. Next, I would like to thank all the university officers for supporting us. And also I would like to extend my gratitude to Dr. S.H. Honali sir, Dean Faculty of Shanbaswa University, Dean Faculty of Business Study, for guiding us. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Vanishri C.T. Ma'am, Chairperson, Department of Tourism, for continuous support and organizing this webinar. I would like to extend my thanks to staff and students of our college and other colleges as well. And I would like to thank everyone for attending this webinar. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you so much everyone for listening to me so patiently. And I'm so sorry I was not perfect, I know, but still I shared all my knowledge to you guys.
Very well, very well.
Thank you. Very nice, Anusha. Thank you. And have a great day ahead.
You guys too. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.